Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the resource. Today, we're diving into ProBlogger, a website found at ProBlogger.com. This platform offers a wealth of information for anyone looking to improve their blogging skills, whether you're a complete novice just starting out or a seasoned writer aiming to take your blog to the next level. ProBlogger provides practical advice, insightful tips, and actionable strategies to help you navigate the blogging landscape. From understanding the technical aspects of setting up a blog to mastering content creation and monetization techniques, ProBlogger has something for everyone. The site features a comprehensive blog with articles covering a wide range of topics, including finding your blogging niche, creating engaging content that resonates with your audience, optimizing your blog for search engines, and effectively promoting your blog across various platforms. They also delve into the intricacies of blog monetization, exploring different avenues like affiliate marketing, advertising, and selling digital products. ProBlogger's resources are designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills necessary to build a successful and thriving blog. They frequently feature case studies and interviews with successful bloggers, offering valuable insights and inspiration. The site also provides helpful tools and resources to further aid your blogging journey. ProBlogger understands that the blogging world is constantly evolving. Therefore, they keep their content updated and relevant to reflect the latest trends and best practices. Whether you're struggling with writer's block, looking for new ways to monetize your content, or simply seeking advice on how to improve your blog's performance, ProBlogger offers a supportive community and a wealth of resources to guide you along the way. Their aim is to help you transform your passion for writing into a profitable and fulfilling online venture. Explore the different sections of the website, take advantage of the wealth of information available, and see how ProBlogger can help you achieve your blogging goals. So head over to ProBlogger.com today and start exploring. You won't regret it.